Goa was under the Portuguese rule for over 450 years. This is more than even the British rule in the Indian subcontinent. In 1498, Vasco da Gama first reached the shores of Calicut, and by the year 1510, the Portuguese had taken the possession of Goa from Adil Shah. What followed was a 4.5 century long rule, during which a lot of give and take happened. This is a small but interesting story of a festival named Shigmo. And although this video is about Shigmo, the people of this small village named Dongorim don't call it Shigmo. You see, to be able to celebrate this festival, the people had to literally trick the Portuguese rulers by calling it Intrus. थोड़ा confusing है, right? तो चलिए समझते हैं what this is all about. मेरा नाम है आयुष दिनकर and I'm here to explore some of the untraced paths of Goa. भारत के कोने कोने में हजारों सालों से लोग पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल्स मनाते हैं. In Assam, people celebrate Bihu. In Kerala, it is Onam, and similarly, the people of Goa celebrate Shigmo.
यहाँ पहले हमारा जो फेस्टिवल था, that was celebrated generally as a Hindu festival, but during that crucial time of Portuguese rule, they have stopped it, and they said it is not allowed because they are worried about there is a coup.
The Portuguese had imposed an order that the people need to take prior permission to celebrate any festival. This made the Goans angry and they wanted to do something about it.
People have been converted. They have converted to another faith, but they have not left with the traditions which they inherited for centuries.
The festival that the Portuguese celebrated was Intrus, which is basically another name for carnival.
When the Shigmo festival is celebrated in Goa, the Intrus festival, which was engraved by the Portuguese colonials in Goa, it is also celebrated. It is also called a carnival.
तो उन लोगों ने एक सोचा, उन लोगों ने बोला पोर्तुगीज को, हम लोग इंट्रूस सेलिब्रेट करेंगे. इंट्रूस मीन्स इट जस्ट लाइक कार्नावाल. उन लोगों को पता चला कि इंट्रूस है, so they said okay, and hence the name became Intrus.
They call it Intrus, and they celebrate it just like Shigmo.
And thus, the people of Dongorim got back their festival only with a new name.
Just for telling the Portuguese that ये हमारा ये कार्निवल कर रहा है.
हम लोग कार्निवल ही कर रहा है. कार्निवल नाम नहीं रख सकते ना, क्योंकि उन लोगों ने इंट्रूस नाम रखा है. Just like he is not my father, he is the husband of my mother. Just like
Intrus is a 5-day festival. People first gather up and prepare for it, and then it is officially inaugurated. This is followed by a procession that passes in front of every house of the village. I was there on day 4.
Lot of drums, beautiful music will be there, and it is a long procession. And you will not find such music anywhere. I can tell you in Goa. Particularly, yeah, that is today. It is really famous in Goa. A lot of people come to watch, only to watch.
As the music picked up and made me want to sway with its rhythm, I once again realized that culture is that powerful glue that helps in binding the society and its individual together. While the rest of Goa was busy in their daily routine, I saw an entire village come to life to celebrate life.
But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये जो पूरा वो है that is just a Christian thing.
Nothing. We all are history. This is a, you can say, you see unity. We also go to Christian during fest. They also come to us. Nowhere you will find such things in Goa. Everywhere it is like that. Even Muslim area also.
And just like life is something that evolves, culture is something that has its own phases of evolution. While we intrinsically like to preserve it, we also have to modify it, sometimes for survival and sometimes for creativity. And while there are obvious instances of that, there are also small little stories such as the one about intros that first come as a surprise and later leave back a smile on your face. This video was done in association with Soul Traveling, and if you are a supporter on Patreon, as a channel member on YouTube or otherwise, here's a big shout out to you and thank you so much. See you soon.